Alright lovers, today I'm going to show you a genuine Cornish treadle grinder, made here in Redruth. See, it's a Hayden all ball made in Redruth. Now this is how it works. You see, it's got an Archimedean screw in there, and when I push down my foot like that, hear all that noise there? That's because it hasn't been oiled up and greased. This has been in the shed, you see. There's an oil hole. You oil in that. I don't know if you can just see that. It's got the genuine old sticker there. Just underneath there.
Edges and edges.
No. This has never been painted. This is original, all original. He does need oiling, and what they have, I'll show you the this is one I call number A. I'll show you number B in a minute because I've got two of these. Absolute booties they are, absolute booties. Now, what you normally do, you see, you have a couple of screws. You screw it to the floor, and you have a strap that goes around here. Now, be a boy. You have a metal strap at the top to hold him in position. And this is just a rest, adjustable rest. Look at the sparks. Now, isn't it a beauty? That's a real beauty. You get your exercise, you don't need no electricity. Now this must be 100 years old or more. Somewhere I got the original sales literature that goes with them. Lovely thing. Now I'll show you number 2. Number B. That's number A. I'll show you number B. One moment there now, boys. No room here. That's the trouble with a cottage barn. There's never any room. There we go. Now this is the same. See, it's a Hayden all ball Redruth, and this one's got a little strap on him. See? You see that, boy? You got a strap there. So you can go like that, see? Or if you was on a flat edge, you go like that. And it's the same principle. So simple. I can't understand why they don't still make these days. It's so efficient. When it's all oiled up, excuse me, when you put some oil on them and grease him up, he's all quiet and he spins on forever and ever and ever. And you see this guard here, so you can there's a nut here. He slides him in and out. You've got an angle there, so you've got your chisels. So if your chisel can go against like that, and you've got a hole there. You can put a drill down or something like that. If you push him down that way, you've got a square edge there. And of course, you can do your knives like your screwdriver. See, your screwdriver, you might square them up like that, on the edge like that. See, straight up. No sparks there. Nice edge on there. Use the outside edge as well if you want to. Now, when this is all screwed up nicely and solid to the workbench, you can get nice speed up. You use 2 hands, see? I can't use two hands at the moment because I'm holding at the same time. So those are Treadle grinders with an Archimedean screw. Lovely things, absolutely lovely. Now something like this is worth about £800 if you can get them. Lovely, lovely bit of kit. See, absolutely lovely. Because if they still made them these days, you probably get it for 100 or maybe a bit more. But he'll last 100 years. Beautiful bit. Beautiful. Just go on and on and on. And if he's greased up, he goes on and on and on and on and on. How's that for balance? Just balance.